In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Truist Bank account online. If you're looking to manage your finances more conveniently and efficiently, then this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. We'll go through each detail meticulously, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll be well prepared to open your bank account from the comfort of your home. First, you'll want to open your web browser and perform a search on Google for Truist Bank. Go ahead and type Truist Bank into the search bar and hit enter. Once the results load, look for the official Truist website, which should appear as the first option on the list. Click on this result to navigate directly to the Truist homepage. Once you're on the Truist website, you'll need to find the Start Application option. This is typically available on their homepage or within the online banking section. Clicking on Start Application will lead you to the beginning of the account creation process. You'll be prompted to answer a few preliminary questions. If a question asks you to select yes or no, click on the option No. This might be asking about your current customer status or any promotional offers. Next, you'll need to enter your zip code. This is crucial for Truist to customize your experience based on your location and to provide the most relevant options available to you in your area. If a prompt appears asking for a promo code, consider clicking on it. However, remember that this step is completely optional. If you have a promo code and wish to use it, enter it. Otherwise, you can simply proceed without entering anything. Now find and click on Continue. This will move you forward in the process, and soon after, you should see options related to special offers. Here, choose No Thanks, Skip for now. If you're not interested in additional services or offers at this stage, you'll now be asked to fill in your personal information. Enter details like your first name and last name in the respective fields. Following this, you'll need to select your citizenship status from the provided options. Enter your date of birth to confirm your age eligibility for creating an account. The next part is sensitive and crucial. Accurately enter your social security number and be sure to re-enter it for verification to avoid any mistakes. This step ensures the accuracy and security of your application. You'll then need to provide your phone number and email address, which Truist may use for communication regarding your account. Continue by selecting your employment status from the drop-down menu, whether you're employed, self-employed, or any other option that best describes your current situation. Make sure you carefully read and then check the box that states, "I have read and agree to the certifications above." It's essential to understand the terms and conditions you are agreeing to. Press Continue once more. At this point, you'll advance to the stage where you select your account options. Following that, you will finally proceed to the confirmation page where you can review all the entered information for accuracy and completeness. And there you have it. With these steps, you have now successfully applied to open a Truist Bank account online. Congratulations on taking this step in managing your finances more effectively. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.